I literally think these are literally the best locks I have done, y'all. So these locks are from Outre. Of course, this is their Infinity Locks in the inches 32. It does come with 10 in each pack, and I did use all 5 packs. And also I did use 1 pack of the springy Afro twist hair. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Bye.
Gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. I am B for vibe, moving to my life. What's mine on that QGTM type of time now? I'm not sorry, this drove a Rari. Big energy, his bling was really blinding. Them be my type, scheme with him all through the night. He hits me up and get me paid, and then we catch a flight. From time to time, I know it's wrong, but it feels so right. I know that it feels so right. What's done is done, the devil steady testing me. Tease me gently like expensive trees, like it's your expertise. Touched by V, you know it's blessed. And baby, I need you. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? All night, all night. I need you back. You give me peace of mind, with you I never lack. I want you back. You hold it down just like the piece that's on your back. We argue, we fuck up. We argue, that's love. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. Them petty games that you play put you through the same thing. We gotta ride away, but you're running away. You just gon' throw it away. Where's the roadway? Baby, just come home to me. All night, all night. I need you back. Kanske för en mening